Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. Today's lesson is part 1 of the most useful English words and sentences. I strongly recommend for you to take down notes as this lesson is very helpful. And let's get started. We don't work on weekends. We don't work on weekends. We don't have classes on weekends. We don't have classes on weekends. I would like to withdraw $1,000 from my checking account. I would like to withdraw $1,000 from my checking account. I would like to deposit $5,000 to my checking account. I would like to deposit $5,000 to my checking account. How can I pay my bills online? How can I pay my bills online? I want to open an online banking account, please. I want to open an online banking account, please. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Excuse me, where is the restroom? I have 3 classes a week. I have 3 classes a week. Today, today. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Yesterday, yesterday. The day after, the day after. The day before, the day before. Last week, last week. Last month, last month. Last year, last year. Next week, next week. Next month, next month. Next year, next year. Next time, next time. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? When can you come? When can you come? I can come this Friday at 6 p.m. I can come this Friday at 6 p.m. When will you be here? When will you be here? I'm stuck in traffic. Maybe around 40 minutes. I'll be there. I'm stuck in traffic. Maybe around 40 minutes. I'll be there. I work on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I work on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How much is this? How much is this? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video helped you out. And please like this video, share it with others, leave me your comments or questions that you have, and I will respond to you. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.